Ouch! Mortgage rates, woo-wee, 2-decade high. Holy shnikes, average 30-year fixed mortgage interest rate, 7.23%. Wow. Yeah. 2 years ago, borrowing rates were below 3%. Below 3%. Now, again, you're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars more in interest at this point in time. What is this doing to the overall real estate market? What does this mean? Basically, the conveyor belt, we want to call it that, of houses that came on the market and off the market is just stopped. It's just stopped. And the reason being, quite frankly, is that when people have a mortgage rate below 3%, and all of a sudden, they see it at over 7%, they say to themselves, I ain't going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Existing home sales they're going to be very, very sticky. That conveyor belt has been shut off simply due to the speed of the Fed and these interest rate hikes, which is, at this point in time, it's gotten nonsensical because they haven't, the important things. We talked about the bare necessities inflation. They really haven't done a damn thing about it. They can applaud the CPI all you want, but good luck now. Good luck now trying to find a home. We don't have the inventory that's out there. Home builders are going to continue to build. They're going to be pricing their houses at a hell of a lot less, which is fine. Just fine. They're going to have to make adjustments. It is what it is. But, to have rates go to this parabolic pace, and for whatever reason it may be, like I said, you got all these Wizard of Smart Jackson Hole types. They're all meeting there, all these Federal Reserve people. One of the most important things when it comes to inflation is housing costs, and they're just driving them up. They're driving them up. Now, some solutions that we could come up with when it comes to these high mortgage rates. And again, I don't know who would have to get involved with this, whether it be Fannie and Freddie or how you can go about handling this, is to actually make mortgages in of themselves be transferable to the new buyer of a home. What do I mean by that? In essence, if I have a mortgage on my house, and my mortgage rate is below 3%, and I want to sell my house, I want to move, but I still have the mortgage rate. I still owe just a certain amount of money on it. Allowing that mortgage and that mortgage rate to be transferred to a new buyer. Obviously, they would have to qualify and jump through all the same, hoops and whatnot that everybody else had to. I think that might be an option if they could put it together in regards to loosening up the market to some degree. But we shall see. As it stands right now, it's, the real estate agent going to have a difficult time doing any business right now. That's for darn sure. WatchDog on WallStreet.com.